Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my watchgang black membership watch for December. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing my Stratton Leggera Bullhead Chrono. I love this thing. I need to do a follow-up review on it, but super cool. Dig the styling on it. I really like this one. Sorry guys, I'm not in my normal setup, so I think the audio's probably not as good as it normally is. Neither is my lighting. Also guys, there is a ton of sales going on. I have promo codes with Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast, and I think the sales that are going on are better than the promo codes I have, but if you click through the links I have, it still helps the channel out, so click through. Check out their sales and save yourself some money. Let's see what we got this month. Two different watch cards. What do we have here? If you guys don't know, watchgang is a monthly subscription for watches. The black membership, which is what this one is $99 a month. So it looks like we have a Villandry. Not sure what that brand is. It's not one I've looked at myself. Let's take a look and see what we actually have this month. Ooh. Little different than the typical watch box we get. This is actually pretty cool. According to this, the MSRP on this one is $315, Villandry. I do like this watch roll. It's better than some of the, some of the watches we get come in just these standard boxes. But overall, I've actually been really pretty happy with most of what I've gotten at the $99 tier level. I like this setup. Looks like we've got warranty card, cleaning cloth, probably instruction books and stuff. Let's see what the watch actually is. Still got the plastics on there. We got a moonphase Swiss movement, all stainless. Villandry. I actually like the case. Pretty simple, clean design. Some of these moon phases are actually kind of a pain in the butt to set, but it's pretty cool. Not bad. Let me throw it on wrist really quick. All right. Sorry if my edits are a little worse than normal. My dogs keep roaming through the this area on the tile floor, and I'm trying to minimize those sound effects for you guys. All right. I like that richer brown leather strap. That's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Looks like there might be a couple quick sets here. So we'll do some research on this one, see if I can figure out how to set it and what the movement is and do a follow-up review. I actually really like that. It's a nice looking watch. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.